16 divided by 2 equals 8, 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present. According to the rules, we have to work from left to right to solve these. So we need to solve this division first because that's the leftmost, and 16 divided by 2, that gives us 8. Our expression becomes 8 divided by 8 divided by 2. Now we need to solve this division because that's on the left side. 8 divided by 8 equals 1, and our expression simplifies to 1 divided by 2, which can be written as 1 over 2 or 0.5, and that is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.